Okay, I've got me a tool here. I have not a clue what it is. It looks to be very old. Has a big, heavy-duty type of a handle, but I have not a clue what it is or what it was intended for. It has a lot of wear, like it was used a lot for whatever it was for, but I don't know what it is. I got it at an auction. Just thought it was neat. It does have a series of numbers, like right there it's 95.20, and don't know what that is. No patent numbers or anything. Here is one that's 96.47R, and here in that little place is 81.40. I think this was the business end of it, of course, but I don't see how it was fit into a fixture to hold itself and do what it's supposed to do. So that's going to be a good one for you, Mr. Heavy Chevy, Mr. Tubal Cane. See if you can help me figure out what this tool is. Just because I don't have a clue even what it was used for. So if anybody wants to give me a hand and figuring out what that thing is for, I would greatly appreciate it. Thank you. Let's see. Wish there was some other way I could show you how it works, but I don't know how it works. So, well, if anyone can make any sense out of this, I'd appreciate it.